Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Alight Motion text glow effect tutorial. So if you want your subtitles or text to stand out with glowing effects in Alight Motion, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can add a smooth glow to your text and fix problem if it doesn't work right. So first, what you need to do is just open Alight Motion and create a new project. So click on this plus button and choose the aspect ratio. I'm going to just go with 9:16 and then just tap on create project. Okay, so once the project is open, you can just tap on plus button at the bottom in here and click on text, and then you can just type your subtitle or caption. So I'm going to just write this. Okay, you can now just adjust the font and also the size if you want to. Here I'm going to adjust the font in here and adjust the size. I'm going to make it bigger and the color. Okay, you can tap on a check icon once you're done with the text. And now to add the glow effect, you can select the text and go to effects in here, add effect, then just find the glow effect from here. You can click on the search button at the top, then search for glow. Okay, there are so many options. There's this glow scan, edge glow, inner glow, light glow. So I'm going to just go with this one in here. Now you can adjust the settings. So the radius is the control spread. You can adjust it to how you like it. I'm going to make it lower like this, and for the opacity, it control the alpha in here, control the brightness and also the hardness. Here I'm going to go with this, and you can also change the color of the glow. I'm going to make it white, for example, and then you can go back and the setting will be safe. If you want to, you can also add animations. You can by adding keyframes for glow intensity. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's how you can create a glowing text subtitle effects in Alight Motion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.